Hi, my name is Trina, and this is my Lesson 7 app, Grocery Tracker app. This app is designed to help users manage groceries efficiently by categorizing and tracking items in real time. This is the home screen of my app. At the top, we have the search bar, which allows users to find items quickly. For example, if I type apple, you'll see the app filters the items dynamically to show only the category, and the apple item will be highlighted. Below that, items are grouped by categories like fruits, vegetables, snacks, cooking, and beverages. Each category header includes an emoji to make the interface more engaging and intuitive. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the total price displayed. This dynamically updates to reflect the combined cost of all items in the app. For example, as I adjust the quantities of items, the total price will change in real time. This feature ensures users have a clear view of their grocery budget while managing items. Next, let's add a new item. I'll click the plus button here, which navigates me to the Add Item screen. Let's add oranges as an example. I'll enter the name, price, quantity, and category, and then add the image URL. Once done, I'll save the item, and you can see it added to the fruits category on the home screen. Now, let me show you how to edit an item. I'll click on the item card for apple, and it navigates me to the edit screen. Here, I can change the price, update the quantity, or even delete the item. For example, I'll update the quantity to 5 and save the changes. As you can see, the updated quantity is reflected on the home screen. Now, let me show you how to delete an item. I'll click on the item card for apple, and it navigates me to the edit screen. Here, I have the option to delete the item by pressing the delete button. When I press the button, a confirmation alert appears, asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this item?" This step ensures I don't accidentally delete something important. If I select yes, the item is removed from the list, and I'm navigated back to the home screen. As you can see, apple is no longer in the fruits category, and the total price at the bottom has been updated automatically to reflect the removal. If I had selected cancel on the confirmation alert, the item would remain unchanged, ensuring I have full control over any actions I take. The feature I found most challenging to implement was the plus and minus buttons for updating item quantities directly on the home screen. Let me explain why it was challenging and how I implemented it. First, I needed to manage the quantity of each item in the app state. I used the useState hook to store the list of items and their details, including quantities. Next, I created a function called adjustQuantity to update the quantity of a specific item when the plus or minus button is clicked. This function takes the item ID and a delta value, +1 or -1, finds the item in the list, and updates its quantity. I also used math.max, item.quantity plus delta, to ensure the quantity doesn't go below 1. Finally, I linked the plus and minus buttons on each item card to the adjust quantity function. The minus button decreases the quantity by 1, and the plus button increases it by 1, with changes reflected immediately in the app state and UI. Here's the feature in action. Let me increase the quantity of banana to 3 using the plus button. Now, I'll decrease it back to 1 using the minus button. You can see the quantity updates dynamically on the home screen. In this video, I demonstrated my grocery tracker app, highlighted its key features, and explained how I implemented the plus and minus buttons for updating item quantities, a feature that was both challenging and rewarding to build. Thank you for watching my demo.